thought it was a girl, but it's a boy. Okay, Israel, you're away from him. Keep going so you don't roll up into a ball.
Israel's doing the jogging.
Question.
The Wii game.
Question? I see me. Why did it do a question mark?
Because he stopped. Are you going so fast, Israel?
Because he said, huh? Where did my person go?
Faster, faster, faster.
Oh, here, there's him. There.
Oh, I found it. You got to the doggy's place. Oh.
Ooh, he fell.
The doggy.
You see the TV too?
Not
Yeah.
right now. I wish we had one of those dogs because it's so cute. I wish I knew past Lucy.
Oh, you passed Brucey.
Don't stop, Israel. Keep going.
Israel, keep going.
Are you tired?
He's tired because he went too fast, I think.
No,
I can still go all the way without getting tired, I think.
Faster, faster, Israel.
He's going the other way. That's cool. Okay, Israel, you went the other way. Go, 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 go. Don't give up. Oh.
I want him.
He's going, okay.
Yeah. Hey, what does this look like?
Now
Good
he
job,
gets his
Israel.
last turn.
Did you guys say good job, Israel?
Good job, Israel.
Thank you. Don't touch that one. No, touch it.
You want to quit? Yep. That says quit. I know how to pick my own game now.
Are you tired?